Did you know that many of history's greatest achievements were made by women whose stories were never told? Today, you will improve your English by discovering their powerful legacy. Hello and welcome. I will be your guide today, speaking in slow and clear English for you to understand easily. Our topic is Women's History Month, a celebration of incredible impact and inspiration. In this video, you will learn all about its important history and the exciting theme for 2026. First, you will hear the complete story in English. Then, we will review the story together with both English and Spanish text on the screen. After that, we will learn some key vocabulary and a useful expression. Finally, I will ask you some questions to check your understanding, with a pause for you to think. Let's begin. For centuries, the contributions of women were often overlooked or completely erased from history books. We learned about kings, male presidents, and male scientists, but what about the queens, female leaders, and brilliant women inventors? Women's History Month was created to fix this problem. It is a dedicated time to remember, celebrate, and educate people about the vital role women have played in shaping our world. It ensures that the stories of these unsung heroes are finally told and given the recognition they deserve. The journey to a national month began with a single day, International Women's Day, celebrated on March 8. Inspired by this, a small town took a big step. In 1978, in Santa Rosa, California, a local group organized a Women's History Week celebration. This grassroots movement was incredibly popular. Schools, communities, and local organizations all participated. They held parades, gave special presentations, and honored local women. The idea was so powerful that it quickly started to spread to other communities across the country. Seeing the success of these local events, a group of women, including the founders of the National Women's History Alliance, decided to push for national recognition. They campaigned tirelessly, speaking to lawmakers and building support. Their hard work paid off. In 1980, President Jimmy Carter issued the first presidential proclamation declaring a National Women's History Week. He said, "The achievements, leadership, courage, strength and love of the women who built America was as vital as that of the men whose names we know so well." By 1987, after more lobbying, Congress passed a law designating the entire month of March as Women's History Month. The impact of this official recognition was enormous. It fundamentally changed education. Schools began to include women's history in their curriculum. Students finally started learning about female scientists, artists, activists, and leaders who had been ignored for too long. Museums created new exhibits, and documentaries were produced. This shift in public consciousness helped to inspire new generations of girls and young women, showing them that they too could achieve great things. It provided role models and a more accurate, complete picture of our shared history. Each year, Women's History Month has a special theme. Looking ahead, the inspiring theme for 2026 is, Innovate and Elevate, Women Shaping Tomorrow's World. This theme focuses on women who are pioneers in science, technology, art, and business. Innovate means to create new things and new ideas. Elevate means to lift up and improve society. So, the theme celebrates women who are not just participating in the world, but actively building a better future for everyone through their creativity and intelligence. One historical woman who perfectly embodies this theme is Hedy Lamarr. While most people knew her as a famous Hollywood movie star in the 1940s, she had a secret second life as a brilliant inventor. During World War II, she co-invented a frequency-hopping communication system to help guide Allied torpedoes. The technology was so advanced that it was not used at the time, but it paved the way for modern technologies like Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth. She was a true innovator, using her mind to shape the world we live in today. A modern example is Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett, an American immunologist. She was one of the key scientists leading the development of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. Her innovative research was crucial in creating the vaccine quickly and safely, saving millions of lives around the world. Dr. Corbett represents the Elevate part of the theme perfectly. She used her scientific knowledge to lift up all of humanity during a global crisis. She is a powerful role model for future generations of scientists, especially women of color in STEM fields. So, what is your role in this? Celebrating Women's History Month is something everyone can do. You can read books by female authors, watch documentaries about women's history, or visit museum exhibits. You can also support women-owned businesses in your community. Most importantly, you can share the stories you learn. By talking about the achievements of women with your friends and family, you help carry the spirit of this month forward and ensure these incredible legacies are never forgotten. For centuries, the contributions of women were often overlooked. Women's History Month was created to fix this problem. Durante siglos, las contribuciones de las mujeres a menudo fueron ignoradas. El mes de la historia de la mujer fue creado para solucionar este problema. In 1978, a local group in Santa Rosa, California, organized a Women's History Week. This grassroots movement quickly started to spread. En 1978, un grupo local en Santa Rosa, California, organizó una Semana de la Historia de la Mujer. Este movimiento de base popular comenzó a extenderse rápidamente. In 1980, President Jimmy Carter proclaimed a National Women's History Week. By 1987, Congress designated the entire month of March. En 1980, el presidente Jimmy Carter proclamó una Semana Nacional de la Historia de la Mujer. Para 1987, el Congreso designó todo el mes de marzo. The impact was enormous, especially in education. It provided role models and a more complete picture of history. El impacto fue enorme, especialmente en la educación. Proporcionó modelos a seguir y una imagen más completa de la historia. The 2026 theme is Innovate and Elevate, Women Shaping Tomorrow's World. It celebrates women who are building a better future. El tema de 2026 es Innovar y elevar, mujeres dando forma al mundo del mañana. Celebra a las mujeres que están construyendo un futuro mejor. Hedy Lamarr was a movie star and a brilliant inventor. Her invention paved the way for Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth. Hedy Lamarr fue una estrella de cine y una brillante inventora. Su invención preparó el camino para el Wi-Fi, el GPS y el Bluetooth. Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett was a key scientist behind the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. She used her knowledge to lift up humanity during a global crisis. La doctora Kizzmekia Corbett fue una científica clave detrás de la vacuna de Moderna para el COVID-19. Usó su conocimiento para elevar a la humanidad durante una crisis global. Great work. Now let's learn some key vocabulary from the story. First, grassroots. A grassroots movement is one that starts with ordinary people in a local community, not with leaders or the government. For example, the campaign to save the local park was a grassroots effort by residents. Next, proclamation. This is an official public announcement, often made by a leader like a president. For example, the president issued a proclamation declaring a national day of celebration. And finally, unsung. If someone is an unsung hero, they have done great things but have not been celebrated or recognized for them. For example, the nurses were the unsung heroes of the crisis. Now for our useful expression of the day, to pave the way for. This phrase means to create a situation that makes it possible or easier for something else to happen in the future. In our story, Hedy Lamarr's invention paved the way for Wi-Fi. Another example is, the success of the first female astronaut paved the way for many others to go to space. Are you ready to test your understanding? I will ask a question, and you will have a moment to think of the answer. Question 1. Where and when did the first Women's History Week celebration take place? The first celebration took place in Santa Rosa, California, in 1978. Question 2. What is the theme for Women's History Month in 2026? The theme is Innovate and Elevate, Women Shaping Tomorrow's World. Question 3. Besides being a movie star, what was Hedy Lamarr's other major achievement? She was a brilliant inventor who co-invented a communication system that paved the way for modern Wi-Fi and GPS. Q1, where and when did the first Women's History Week take place? A1, in Santa Rosa, California, in 1978. B1, ¿dónde y cuándo tuvo lugar la primera Semana de la Historia de la Mujer? R1, en Santa Rosa, California, en 1978. Q2, what is the theme for Women's History Month in 2026? A2, Innovate and Elevate, Women Shaping Tomorrow's World. B2, ¿cuál es el tema del mes de la historia de la mujer en 2026? R2, Innovar y elevar, mujeres dando forma al mundo del mañana. Q3, what was Hedy Lamar's other major achievement? A3, she co-invented a system that paved the way for Wi-Fi and GPS. B3, ¿cuál fue el otro gran logro de Hedy Lamarr? R3, co-inventó un sistema que preparó el camino para el Wi-Fi y el GPS. You have done an amazing job today. History is full of inspiring stories, and now you know one more. Don't let the learning stop here. In the comments below, tell us about an inspiring woman from your country. We would love to hear her story. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to keep improving your English, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.